morning, good morning. You got Shirley here with Life Through My Lens as a certified optician. Hey guys, this morning it is cold and it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I had to be to work early today. I hate when I have to work at 8:30. I hate it. But I'm on my way. So I've been given helpful information about eyeglasses, and we talked about vision insurance, and we talked about the importance of an eye exam. I gave some insight on what the difference is between an optician and a optometrist and an ophthalmologist, because some people don't know, believe it or not. So today I'm just here to talk to you. Yesterday, give you a little story. I picked the phone up at work and this woman was like, I was in there yesterday and bought glasses and I got charged twice for lenses, I think. And so this happens all the time, so I automatically know what it is. And I'm like, ma'am, so on your receipt it's broken down: right lens, left lens, eye exam, frame. And then if you bought a warranty, that's on there as well. And she was like, well, I didn't want a warranty. I didn't ask for a warranty. And I was like, well, ma'am, that's fine. I said, when you pick your glasses up, you can get a refund. That's not a problem. And she was like, it's $182 for one lens. And I was like, well, ma'am, what did you get? I said, I don't know for sure because I'm not looking at it. But I said, it sounds like you got a progressive and you got transitions. That's usually the only way our lenses are really expensive. And then yet we're still less expensive than our competitors for what she got. The lens she got, the glasses that she was complaining about paying almost $600 for, she would have paid close to $1,000 for out in the land of our competition. And she was like, well, I think I want to change my order. And I said, well, ma'am, I said, that order is already gone. We only have 30 minutes to cancel it. I said, but you're more than welcome to come in because I want people to know, look, your order is placed. I said, but you're welcome to come in and change your mind. I said, you've got a 60-day window to make any kind of changes, to come back for any reason. And so she was like, okay, I'm going to come in and I think I'm going to take the transitions off. And so I wasn't there the day she came in. So I was talking to my coworkers. And my coworker that waited on her, she was like, I explained everything to her in detail. Oh, another thing she said, I came to you all because I thought it would be less expensive. I'm sure I can get a better deal somewhere else. And when people say that, I don't argue with them. I let them go out there and check it out for themselves. I was like, oh, okay. So she has a high prescription as well. So she wanted thinner, lighter weight lenses, of course. So that's more expensive. So I was talking to the coworker that waited on her. She was like, yeah, I went over everything in detail. And we go over everything before we ring you up. And then if you had a problem paying that amount of money, why did you swipe your credit card? Why? So people, when you're buying your glasses, if you have doubts or concerns, speak up. Say something. Because all of that could have been alleviated. Maybe we could have put her mind at ease if we went over it again with her, or if we talked to her about changing something. I mean, 200 of it was her frame. Okay. I know for a fact some of our competitors, the lens that we sell, she would have paid close to $900 for those glasses. So I'm gonna let her go out there and find that out for herself. And what people don't realize too is when they come talking about something that's less expensive, is you gotta go apples for apples. You can't compare apples to oranges. You know, because if we're gonna compare apple to oranges, I could get you something less expensive. But if you're gonna go apples for apples with me, 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna have the better deal. You know, but so she came in, and instead of changing her order, she just got a refund. You know, and we don't argue with people. You want your money back? Here you go. But I really think she's going to be hard pressed to find that type of progressive lens in a thinner material, in a progressive with anti-reflective coating, and a $200 frame. Oh, and transitions. She's not going to find it for that price. Not going to happen. She may get a progressive that's not as good a quality. You know, and like she could have done with us, she could have got a less expensive frame, and that would have cut her costs. But truly, because of her prescription, the only thing that she didn't need on those glasses was transition. She had a really heavy prescription, so if we didn't give her thinner lenses, her lenses would have been Coke bottle. And she had a lot of astigmatism. So any other material, the optics would not have been that great, and you would have been back to see us anyway. So just a little story time. You know, I'm all for it. If you think you can get the same quality somewhere else less expensive, please let me know where it's at, because I need to go there. By all means. You know, there are some opticals that you go to, you have to take a number. Nobody greets you. Nobody says, hello, how can I help you? We're not like that. Everybody that steps to our department gets greeted, whether we can wait on them right at the moment or not. We're like, hello, how are you? We'll be with you in a moment. You know, it's just crazy to me, the things that people think. But I'm sorry, $600 is a lot of money. And before I swipe my credit card, I'm going to be sure that that's what I want to spend. That's a lot of money. But for what she got a good price. You know, they say people have buyer's remorse all the time, and I guess that's a thing. But most of the time, I go into a situation knowing how much money I'm going to spend. It's not going to be a shock to me when they say whatever they're going to say, because I'm prepared. I'm ready. I know what I want, what I don't want, and I know how much I want to spend. Now, even if I didn't know what I wanted, I would know how much I wanted to spend. And if it didn't fall within that price, then I couldn't get it. That's just how I operate. But don't call back and try to make it seem like we just sold you something and nobody took the time to explain anything to you, because none of us are like that. All of us take the time to go over each and every detail. We talk to you about what it is you want and what we recommend and why we recommend it. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Nobody has a gun to your head. The weather here in Michigan is cold. It snowed last night. So there's snow on the ground. It's starting to melt though. And the salt trucks are out, so the roads aren't too bad. But yeah, on my way to work. Again, if you guys like the content that I'm providing, go back. I set up a couple playlists for you to check out. Go check them out. If you like the content that I'm providing, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. You don't have to do them all. Do one of them or two of them. Okay? Because I'm trying to build this channel. Here on YouTube, to become monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers. So I need subscribers. And you need 4,000 watch hours within 365 days. I'm on like day 14 maybe. So I got a while to go, but I would like to go ahead and get monetized as fast as possible. So I'm putting out content. I hope you guys are enjoying it. You should check out my shorts too. My shorts have little bits and pieces of information that are helpful as well. But yes, please like and subscribe. That would mean the world to me. Like I was saying, I started this channel to possibly help fund my retirement. So every day I'm going to do a video. I've researched and studied some of the other small content creators on here that are having success. They post and upload every day. Their videos are things that are helpful. You want to help people. Provide information that they can use. And it should be about 20 minutes so that people can watch and you can get some watch hours. But consistency is important, and providing information, useful information, is important. I've been pretty consistent. There have been a couple days where I've missed uploading a video, but I think I'm doing pretty good. Doing pretty good. Yeah. So hopefully this channel will start to make me a little money. It would be nice. But, you know, I have to be honest. That's why I'm here. I'm here to hopefully build a community around optical and eyewear and make some money. And what I mean by building a community is providing you with useful information so that you come back again and again and you tell others to come check me out as well. That is what I have in mind. Yeah, so the roads weren't too bad. I'm pulling up to the job now. I didn't run into any fools today on the way to work. Wasn't nobody driving crazy. I was sitting up helping a member, and she was like, yeah, people drive like ass. And I was like, did you say people drive like ass? Because I never heard that term before. I don't even know what that means, people drive like ass. What exactly does that mean? Oh, I got a chuckle out of that. Oh my God, I love a lot of our members. A lot of them are a lot of fun. They're nice people. They're human. They understand that I'm human. And it's all good. But yeah. Doing my usual. I got to get back to eating correctly. That's another thing I got going on. Eating correctly. But yeah, people, help me with the views and the subscribing. It would be so greatly appreciated. I need 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours, and I will bring you the tea on eyeglasses. And make sure you leave a comment if there's anything that you would like a video on that you want to understand more about. Leave a comment and let me know. I'll be glad to provide more information for you. Other things have happened to me in the optical world. I watched my manager be really rude to somebody, knowing full well if it had been me, I would have been coached. You know, because already people tell me I'm not friendly enough. And I'm like, I can't be any more friendly than I am. It's just my personality. I'm not rude. I don't treat anybody badly, but I'm just not like bubbly, hi, how you doing either. That's just not me. It's not me. And it would come off as fake, because it would be fake. So yeah, I couldn't be rude to anybody. That would be the end of the world. I'd be coached for that, most definitely. But I sat and watched her be rude. And you know what? When somebody is rude to you, just kill them with kindness. Because they're trying to be rude. They're trying to get an uprise out of you. When I have customers that are like that, I kill them with kindness. I don't play that game with them. No, we're not going to go back and forth with me being rude to you because you're rude to me. At the end of the day, vengeance is not mine. It is not mine. So I'll let that the person that handles that vengeance, I'll let them handle that. It's not mine. I'm going to treat people how I want to be treated. Sometimes it's hard though. Sometimes it is hard because some of these folks is crazy. You know, little young girl. She's younger than me. I can't say she's a young girl anymore because she's getting up in age. Back in the day when I was a manager, she worked for me. She was in her 20s. But that's been a while. I know she's 30-something now, probably close to 40 years old. And she made a post on Facebook about everybody getting their permit to carry. And I was like, oh yeah, I would love to do that. But when she put it all together and gave a date, I was like, it's a Saturday. I'm not going to be able to go. I can't do a Saturday. I have to work on Saturdays. Very seldom do I get a Saturday off. So I won't be able to do it with the group, but maybe I'll go and do it by myself. Here in Michigan, if anybody knows the best place to go and get your permit to carry, leave it in the comments. Let me know. I am dreading going in here today. I'm off tomorrow though. Off tomorrow. I don't know if I'll download a video tomorrow or not, but this one will be downloaded tonight. Yeah, I'm gonna try to stay on top of it, guys. I really am. And I'm doing better about making it through this 20-minute video. Okay? Guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. You just don't know how much that would mean to me and this channel. And again, leave a comment about what kind of content you would like to see as far as optical and eyeglasses go. Just let me know. And I will put something out for you guys. Okay. Until next time. Y'all stay safe out here on these roads. Bye-bye.